Hey everyone, this is Anna back with another stamping video. Thanks for joining in and let's check out today's project. Today we are going to make a really easy card with the Accented Bloom stamp set. I am guilty of making cards much more complicated than they need to be. And I was flipping through a stack of cards, I saw this one and I thought I should do a video on this because it's so easy and so pretty. So let's get started. This one is in Poppy Parade. I'm going to do this one in Coastal Cabana. So first, you need a card base that measures 8.5, which this already is, by 4.25. And you will also need 2 pieces of white that measure 4 inches by 4 inches. So I will go ahead and fold my card base. Now I'm going to do the stamping for the flower and the greeting with my Stamparatus. So bring it in here. Place one of the pieces of 4x4 cardstock here. Gonna lay the flower. I want it to be about there. Lay it on. Come on over and pick it up. And I don't need my pad since I'm stamping with the rubber stamps. I don't need that. Okay, that's where I want it. Go ahead and ink this up. Stamp. Didn't get it quite all the way because of my table here. This table that I stamp on can flex sometimes and I don't get it all the way. There we go. Now, I'll bring in some of the scrap white cardstock I still had here. And I want to stamp the thank you stamp on here. So I'll ink this one up. Stamp it. Very nice. Now this is our tailored tag punch, which I love. Punch that out. And I believe we're ready for assembly. So I would love to hear from you. This is the first video I have done for making a card in just a couple of minutes. But if you are interested in more of these, please let me know. I love to do techniques. I love to do all kinds of complicated things. I love to invent new ways of doing things, but we can't always spend that much time on every card that we make. So if you're interested in this sort of video, please let me know. So I'm going to add a couple of pearls up here. Normally I use my paper snips to pick these up and put them where I want them, but we have this awesome new take your pick tool. And since my 4-year-old has run away with my paper snips, and I have both pairs of my paper snips, I should say. I have no idea where they're at. I'm going to use this take your pick tool. So there you go. I can stick this on the inside. I'm going to leave the inside blank because I like to send cards to my customers and write a message on the inside without a specific greeting in there. So there you go. A really pretty card in just a couple of minutes. So thanks again for joining in. I hope you liked today's project. Please use the link in the video description to visit my blog to learn more about the project and to order the products you will need through my online store. Thanks, everyone.